Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to completely uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud on Windows 11. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first off, open up your favorite browser. Okay, and here you got to type down Creative Cloud Uninstaller. Okay, hit on enter. Now got to click on the ones from Adobe Help Center. Click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, okay, got to scroll down and find your OS. It could be Windows or Mac OS, Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, Windows 10 ARM, or Windows 7. Okay, so 64-bit, I'm going to use this one. Click on download, and then just go ahead and save it on your desktop or wherever you want. Okay, close the browser. Here we have the RAR file. Right click on it, WinRAR or 7-zip or whatever your zipping tool you're currently using. Extract, okay, and just double click on it. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes and just click on uninstall. Okay, wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, click on close. Now go ahead and check your installed apps, and Adobe Creative Cloud should now be gone. Okay, now if you're asking maybe you've uninstalled an app or these apps right here from a different website, okay, or elsewhere, you might ask, will it still be able to run? So I have Adobe After Effects right here in Premiere. We're going to test it out just for you to see. As you can see here, it works perfectly fine. All right, and that is how you completely uninstall the Adobe Creative Cloud. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.